In this video, I'm going to show you how to add MATLAB code to Simulink. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up your Simulink and then the simulation, and then over here, you want to click on Library Browser, and then you can integrate your MATLAB code into Simulink using the MATLAB function block and the MATLAB system block, okay? So to do this, first we're going to look at the first one. I'm going to type in MATLAB, and then function, okay? So just type in MATLAB function and press the enter key on your keyboard. It's going to find it over here. It's this one, the MATLAB function. You can just drag and drop it onto your canvas over here, and you can use this MATLAB function block to actually integrate simple functions, okay? You can resize it, you can double click, and if you double click here, you'll be able to basically put in your functions, okay? So that's the first one. The second one, you could also use the MATLAB system block. So just search for MATLAB system like that, and if I press the enter key over here, it's going to find it. There we go. You can go ahead and drag and drop this onto here as well, and you can use this MATLAB system block to actually integrate code that requires state dynamics, large streaming data interface, and interaction with the Simulink engine, okay? So that's basically how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.